Wow, this is Thum Sua. So pretty much it's Thum Khao Poon with like whatever you want to add. So I added some meatball and dalua, Vietnamese pork ham. Woo! Eat one of the pork ham. This goes so well with the Khao Poon noodles. Pretty much the bún bò Huế noodles, kind of like with like a nước chấm sauce with jalua. But it had Mambruk shrimp paste in it too. Kapi, garlic, tomatoes, lime to make it juicy. Acidity from the tomatoes is salty, umami, savory. This is how I always eat. Those are my palate, my flavor. Look at the jalua. The peppers hanging onto it. Tomato, lime, nước mắm, fish sauce, nam pla combination is just so good. Tomato patis with garlic, pepper. Ooh, it's so good. Ooh, look at that broth. Oh, so thick and savory and juicy. Ooh. Pepper's starting to kick in. At first when you eat it, the pepper's like, oh, it's okay. And you're like, add more pepper, you know? But I learned from my mistakes. Keep eating it, it gets more spicy. Tomato. Ooh. It's so good. Look at the noodles. The pepper, the juice, the chilies. It's just hanging on to each noodle strand. And the tomato, it's just dripping. Let me take a bite. Noodles khanom jin. It's pork, but it tastes like chicken nuggets, but you're dunking into like a peppery sauce. My noodle there. It's starting to sweat. Alright guys, it's spicy. I'll finish this. I'm gonna save this for later. You guys know how I eat. Every day I eat spicy. It's a must for me. But now, when it gets too spicy, I just take breaks. Finish it later. With dinner. I love tomatoes. These are cherry tomatoes, they're so sweet. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Hey, what's up guys? So you want to make papaya salad and sometimes you can't get a hold of any papaya. Maybe the store ran out. There's times where I went to go get papaya and there's none. But no worries. A good replacement is by using vermicelli noodle. In Lao, we call this Thum Khao Poon. So here's what you're gonna need. Some lime, tomatoes, shrimp paste, fermented fish sauce is optional, which is badek, fish sauce, sugar or palm sugar, Msg optional, and a pestle mortar. If you don't have this, you can use blender. You find this at the Asian supermarkets. A lot of these stuff you can find on Amazon, but they're normally triple the price. Wow, that's spicy. Alright, I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, this looks so spicy. Spicy guys. See the tomato? I think I made this too spicy. Wow, that's spicy. Sweet, sour, umami. I like to eat this one with pork rind. Chicharron, a tomato, this full of flavor. sauce on my eggs. And some patis nước mắm fish sauce on one of them. And then the other one plain. Probably, to me, I grew up, it was just, I ate a lot of eggs. Okay. So I have my rice here. Just so I can eat with rice to enjoy that yolk. Eggs essential. Thum Sua Poon, spicy vermicelli noodle. Whoa. Look at that. I'm gonna take a bite. Made it very spicy. My mouth is drooling. Look at that. Look at that juice hanging onto it. So flavorful. I made it extra tangy for lime, juicy from the tomato, umami from the fish sauce, MSG, shrimp paste beet, mambruk. The palm sugar makes it so silky. Wow, look at that. Look at that pepper. It's hanging onto noodles. See that juice is just dripping. This is a good replacement when you can't get papaya. Use vermicelli noodle or the Bombay vermicelli noodle. You put a little bit of the sauce right here. You create a perfect bite. And crab paste is so good. Tomato. Pork rinds is a chicharrona. I like to eat the pork rinds. Like our chip and salsa. So what you do, you take one of these and you just dip in here. Look good, guys. It's my Thum Sua Poon. So if you have papaya or Som Tum in the Thai restaurant, Lao restaurant, it's the same thing but with vermicelli noodle. So it's like nước chấm with bung vermicelli noodle with the bung bao wei noodles, and it's garlicky, it's umami, and it has mambruk, which is the shrimp paste, kapi. This to try, is so good. It's a game changer. In Laos, it's called Thum Sua Poon. Thai is called Thum Sua. Cabbage. I got this chicken drumsticks. Good combo. I'm gonna have some of that rice. I say 80%. I like it a little bit yolky. The rice. Thum Sua Poon sauce. The eggs is yolky. And the rice is just so good. It goes so well. A collision of flavor. Easy. Easy meal. But yet so delicious. With this, it's getting spicy, guys. Nước chấm with vermicelli noodle. It's getting spicy, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm done for the day. I'll see you guys next time.
Then you got me sinking low. 사랑이란 단어로 썸도 아닌 썸을 타며 행복한 줄로 친구들이 다들 바보래. 사랑 표현 못한 벙어리 한 번도 안 해봐서 어떡해 honestly. Cause 1, 2, 3 중요한 건 you.
What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how I like to dress noodle soup or anything that I like to eat. So what I'll do is I'll enjoy the broth first. So what I do is I eat kind of like half of it. So I already finished one bowl without like seasoning it. So now, because I like to eat spicy, I like to add a lot of flavoring. So it doesn't matter what I'm eating, whether it's instant noodle, anything, I'll add all these ingredients when I'm at home because it's available. So I like to add some shallots, fried garlic, Yes, I enjoy the broth, but I'm always chasing like salty umami. That's how I eat. That's my palate. So now I want to eat spicy because I already enjoyed the broth. I add the chili pepper. I know people might think I'm crazy, like why are you like ruining the broth, or why do you eat like that? Well, that's my palate. Growing up, my food that I eat is normally in my household is salty umami, not really sweet, okay? And we eat very spicy. And I enjoy all sorts of food, but I have to eat spicy, and that's how it is. And a lot of time when you add spice, you have to up the nikmam or fish sauce, because sometimes when you put too much pepper, it makes the soup taste just like pepper. So you have to reflavor it. You have to add fish sauce, sriracha, hoisin. You know, everybody freestyles it. The flavor comes back out, but then it's spicy. So that's why I like it. And you haven't tried it, so don't knock it until you try it, okay? Maybe you added too much pepper and you go, this killed the flavor. Well, you have to adjust to taste. Everybody eats differently. Add this simmer overnight so everything just fall off his bone. If not, you can always use Instapot. It's so good. I like to add beef paste. Give it that extra flavor. Just a little. It could get really salty, so. And yeah, pepper. That's how you readjust. Then whether it's Papaya Poon, instant noodle, chili oil. A lot of the Lao style chili oil or Southeast Asian is normally like just very garlicky and like a lot of pepper chips. Doesn't have the 5 spice in it, but so good. And it gives it such a beautiful color. Want some, baby?
No.
A little bit black pepper. And what else? More chili oil. Yeah, I eat really spicy and crazy. So that's that. Wow, look at how red that is. This is how spicy I like it. What I also like to do is have a side of shrimp paste, mambruk. I'll dip it with like a chili. That's how my household, my culture, we just love eating spicy. Woo, so good. Shrimp paste is umami, delicious. We put it like in papaya salad and stuff. Look at this beef rib. It's so buttery, it just melts. So tender and soft. After 12 hours, it's just magic. Ooh, look at this noodle, so spicy. Look at this tendon. So delicious. Have to. Look at that. Oh, it's getting spicy. Woo! I'm dying, but I like it. It's like a high, releases endorphins, so your body keeps wanting more. Like, it's so satisfying. Here's the tendon. It's just so soft. This is so good. Put sriracha and hoisin aside and use it as a dipping sauce, and I'll enjoy my broth with like a side of pickled onion. It's the pickled onions. It's like vinegar, sugar. Bomb. Look at this broth, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. You guys are wondering, why do you eat hot if it's too spicy? Well, That's how I was raised. My mom did that to me and family. It's like if you don't eat hot, you don't get to eat. Everything is spicy, even the stir fry. This pepper is small but it's deadly. Ooh, I'm dying. Hey guys, I'm done for the day, but I'm satisfied. It's spicy. Oh, how hot can you eat? Or do you not like spice at all? Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Woo. Oh. Woo. In my culture, we eat spicy. Our dipping sauce, we make it with pepper. Our salads, we make it spicy. Who makes salad that is spicy? Lao, Thai, Hmong, Mien, and Khmer people do. Nyam bok lahong tam hung som tam. So if you know, you know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.